Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can upload a PDF file to your Shopify store and show this file to your visitor. So if you don't have any Shopify store, just scroll down to this video and click on the description link or on the pinned comment link to get 3-month free Shopify trial. And if you already have a Shopify store, just head over to this content section and then files. Here you can see all the files of your website and you can upload the files. So let's upload the file. So I'm uploading a PDF file here. File is uploading. Yes, this file has been uploaded. So this is the file. Now you can get the link of this file. Click here. So we have the link. If you paste this link on your tab, it will show the PDF file. So this is the PDF file. To add this PDF file to your content, you can use the link. So I am just adding this PDF file to my menu option. Head over to the navigation and menus, then add the new menu here. On the link, paste the PDF link, click on add. Now save this menu. Now if I go to the website, the menu has been added with this link, and if I click here, it will open the PDF. So this is how you can easily add a PDF file to your website. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more tutorials on Shopify, like this video and subscribe our channel.